and in today's video, आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं Meteor 350 का रिव्यू, more like a user review. एक साल हो गया बाइक को खरीद के मेरे फ्रेंड को, and we can see this is Manas, and today he will be sharing some of his experience with this bike. Okay Manas, so this bike, it brings American culture to India. How do you feel about the design and the performance it is giving you right now?
Yeah, the design is very comfortable. It's very comfortable for long rides. It's actually made for cruising for long rides, and the power is
decent enough that you can make slight vortex easily.
Yeah, easy.
So it has a lot of low end torque. I have ridden it myself, and I feel that this bike is a game changer. If you are into accelerating bikes, I have a F250 myself, I believe Meteor 350 is a good thing. It is a very relaxed ride. So I would like to ask Manas that how much mileage does this bike give him? Okay.
So this bike gives mileage of 30.
So what would you think about the range? In one full tank, how much does your bike go?
It will go 300 kilometers above.
Okay. So which variant is this?
This is Supernova.
Supernova. Okay.
The top end model.
Yeah.
I have also installed some accessories on this. If you can see the sump guard.
Yeah, we can see the
sump guard
right here.
Here the white foot pegs.
These all are accessories, guys.
Accessories.
Yeah.
And this is the touring seat, which is a lower.
So this is a lower seat, which is a accessory or a add-on which you can buy when you are purchasing your Royal Enfield. So this is more of a customization thing.
Yeah, customization.
So yeah, so we can see that it is written it's a low ride. Yeah, it is nice. And
bar and mirrors.
So these are the showroom, or we can call it OEM accessories which you can buy for your Meteor 350. And also there's a mobile guard.
Yeah, I've bought it from Amazon.
So this bought it from Amazon. Yeah. All right.
And nothing else. I like to keep it. I don't like to make it more of customization.
So you want to keep it you want it to look the classic way.
Yeah, classic way. It's more than.
So what about this thing? The visor, the windscreen. Is this the OEM?
Yeah, this is OEM.
So this comes with the bike with the Supernova variant.
Only in the Supernova variant.
You get this one.
Yes, you get this one. Useful actually on high speeds, and the wind blast reduces very much.
Okay.
Very useful.
Yeah. What would you think about the comfort, the riding posture of this bike?
Very top notch. When you start riding this bike, you will not switch to any other bike. You will keep on riding this bike. It is very comfortable, and you might think of buying this because it's very comfortable. Sports bike are performance bike, but they are not so comfortable. But this bike also gives performance and also comfort. With both the things.
Okay. So I have ridden this bike myself, and I can pretty much say that this bike is really comfortable. If you are riding it for more than 150 or let it be 600 kilometers a day, this thing is not going to make you exhausting. This is going to be the best thing that you can buy if you are a tourer. There are still more alternatives like Avenger 220, but you know what? This is a different machine. This is altogether engineered for Indian roads. The suspension may be stiff, but it's nice. So what would you talk about your service intervals on this bike?
Service intervals, actually I have done 2 services. The first and second services has been done.
Yeah.
And after first service, this bike has become very smooth.
Yeah.
It gives more punch now.
So I think your first services are around 1 month or 100 kilometers or 1000 kilometers.
1000 kilometers, which
Okay.
comes first.
So yeah. So what did they do in your first servicing? Like they change the oil?
Changed engine oil and you know they checked the brakes, and in the second service actually they changed my brake pads because they were the
So it
rear-
was getting worn off, and so they replaced it for free, or did they charge you?
no, they charged me.
So yeah, like it will be charged, right?
Of course it will be.
So like if you look at any company nowadays, they are mostly like your consumables are payable, like your engine oils and your brake pads, anything which is consumable does not come under your free warranty. So only your labor charges are free.
4 or 5 services are free, labor charges, and
Yeah.
after that they will charge the labor.
Okay, yeah, nice to hear that. What would you like to tell about this helmet, Manas? It's looking really attractive. Can you remove this for us?
I bought this helmet from the showroom itself.
Yeah.
It costed me around 3,000. It's very lightweight, only 1.5 kg.
It's yeah, it is a very light, like it.
approved.
Yeah. This looks
Also,
color is nice. I think this comes for like this is suitable on what do you call it?
trail bikes.
On trail bikes, or like more like a Himalayan.
Himalayan, yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? This helmet is looking really nice.
Yeah.
Like it is, it is very attractive to see, and also it is DOT certified and ISI certified. So, yep. And the weight is also very nice. It comes with ventilation also, right?
Yeah.
As we can see it right here.
Ventilations here and here.
Yeah. Okay, I understand this.
And
Okay. Yeah.
whatever it is safe.
So yeah, I think you have also bought some of the safety gears, I think.
Like the
Like-
shin pads and jacket and gloves.
Okay. So how much did it cost you?
The jacket was 9,000,
Okay.
around 9,000, and the gloves are 1,500 or 2,000 something.
Okay.
And the shin pads, I don't remember, 3 to 4,000.
Okay. So those are made by Royal Enfield, or are they third party?
Gloves are third party.
Aftermarket.
Of Rida. Gloves are of Rida.
Okay. Let's look at the gloves. I have them right here. We can see them. So these are the gloves are by
Rida.
Rida. We can see it right here. Yep.
Knox protection.
Nice. Yep. This is
And-
this is really nice, I believe. Like it is little dirty, but yeah, it is providing you a lot of safety. Like right here we can see.
Safety as well as airflow. It has leather also and mesh also. So it will not give you suffocation to your hands.
Okay, so it is breathable.
Breathable, yeah.
That's a nice thing to have around when you are riding. So I also feel that oh, these are your shin guards.
These are my shin guards.
So this is also Knox, and this comes with a Royal Enfield badge.
Yeah, Royal.
So you know what? Me being here in real person, I can say you that this is really nice. The build quality it is providing for its rate, like 3,000-4,000, it is top notch, I believe. This is the Royal Enfield, and yeah,
I totally suggest you to buy this if you are looking for a cruiser like this. There are other cruisers also, but I would prefer this anytime.
okay. So that's it for this video, guys, and thank you, Manas, for your vehicle and your valuable review on this bike. Yes. Okay. See you all in the next video, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified for any new content that will be arriving on this channel. So